In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an email account on your smartphone. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. So if you want to create a Gmail account, it is free and you can simply do this using your smartphone. For the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Gmail app, or if you don't have the Gmail app, go to Play Store and look for the Gmail app. But basically all Android smartphones come with Gmail app installed on them, and if you go to Google Tools, you can see here, you can see Gmail is here. So if you're just using a brand new account, you will see an option down here called create. But if you already have an email active on your smartphone, then to create another email account, you have just to tap on your profile, and your profile is up here. So if I tap on it, you can see all the Gmail accounts that I have on my smartphone. To create another one or to create a new one, just click on add another account, which is this, add another account, and then choose the type. Of course, we have the other types like Outlook, Yahoo, and others. For case we want a Google account, which is a Gmail account, tap on it and it will open. So from here, we have to go ahead and now tap on the create option. So remember, I told you if it was the first time, the create account option will be the first thing you'll see. But because we had another account, we had to take these several steps. So tap on create account and then select whether it is for work or for personal use. So I'll create for personal use, and then I'll enter the first and the last name. And of course, this is optional. You can only create one name. I'll enter and then down with AI. I'll separate them so, then tap on next. And from here, I'll have to select the date of birth, month, and year. So I'll use that as an example. Then gender, of course, I'll select here one. I'll select male, and then tap on next. For your case, select yours. And then we shall have options here to create our Gmail. So Google will go ahead and try to form a name, a suitable name using the names you have entered. For my case, it was a minute with AI, but it didn't find it. It is not available. That's why it added these numbers. And it also tried to give me other options here. So you can either choose any of these, but the best way is to create your own Gmail address. So you can go ahead and design yours. So I'll try and write. So I'll try to write AI in a minute and see if it is available. Let me see if it is not available. So let me choose another option. I can just try and say maybe a minute with AI official. Let me try and see this. And it is available. Great. So I'll go ahead and set now my password. So I'll untoggle this so as not to show my password and go ahead and set it up. Great. So if you want to show your password or to confirm what you have just entered, you can just tap on this show password and it will go ahead and show the password. Once you're done, tap on next. And look at that, a minute with AI official is almost done. And now here, tap on next. And we are almost done. Agree to terms and condition. And we are almost now finalizing. So we are done. So if we go back, we should find the new email on our list. So let me go ahead and again now open the app. And then to see if your account was created successfully, just tap on this account. And now you can see our new email is here. So I'll tap on it and you're good to go. So that's how you create a new email using your smartphone. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.